Hello students, welcome to इन ग्लोबल एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम आपको 11th क्लास के केमिस्ट्री के फर्स्ट चैप्टर सम बेसिक कंसेप्ट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री रसायन विज्ञान की कुछ मुख्य अवधारणाएं के महत्वपूर्ण डेफिनेशन की स्टडी कराएंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई वांट टू टेल यू अबाउट साइंस। What is science? Science is the systematic knowledge of the things which is well defined, well organized, and based on the experiment is called science. Now, student, the first definition is chemistry. What is chemistry? Chemistry is the branch of science in which we study the composition, structure, and properties of the substances or matter is called chemistry. The branch of science in which we study the composition, structure, and properties of matter or compounds. Is called chemistry. The first definition is, the first topic is, matter or substance. Anything that occupies space, has mass and felt with our one of the senses is called matter. Has mass and felt with one of the senses is called matter. The example is book, pen, marker, table, chair, stick, stone, water, etc. etc. Anything that occupies space, has mass, and felt with our one of the senses is called matter. प्रत्येक वह वस्तु जो स्थान घेरती है, जिसमें द्रव्यमान होता है और जो हमारी किसी एक ज्ञानेंद्रियों द्वारा अनुभव की जा सकती है, मैटर और पदार्थ कहलाती है. दिस इज मार्कर. इट कवर स्पेस. इट हैज मास. यदि हम इसको मेजर करें, इसके मास को मेजर करें तो इसमें मास है. इस यूनिवर्स में everything which cover space has mass and felt with our one of the sense is called matter. Classification of matter. First of all, I am making the classification chart. Matter. Physical classification. Chemical classification. On the basis of physical classification, matter is classified in three states. Solid, liquid, gas. On the chemical classification, matter is classified in two parts: pure substance pure substance pure substances and mixture. Pure substances is classified in two more parts. Pure substances is subdivided in two parts: elements and compounds. Elements is subdivided in two more parts: atoms, molecules. Mixture is also classified in two types: homogeneous mixture or heterogeneous mixture. Now, atom is classified in three more categories: metal, metalloids, non-metal. This is the classification chart. Take a screenshot of this chart. The first classification physical classification. Matter is classified in three states. First is solid state. Second is D part liquid state. C part gaseous state. Solid state. A solid is that substance which have definite shape and definite volume. A solid is that substance which have definite shape and definite volume, which constitute particles are closely packed and strongly bind each other, is called solid. They do not completely fill the container. Liquid solid have more boundaries or faces. Solid have more faces or boundaries. Liquid are those substances which have definite volume but not definite shape. Liquid have only one boundary. The constituent particles of liquid moving always in each direction below the boundary or surface. They do not completely fill the container. They take the shape in which these are stored. Gases are those substances which do not have definite shape nor definite volume. They take the shape in which they are stored. They completely fill the container. They are stored in closed vessels. The intermolecular distance between solid particles is negligible. Naganya. The intermolecular distance between liquid particles is more than solid or less than liquid. The intermolecular distance between gaseous particles is most of all. Solid cannot be compressed. Liquid cannot be compressed much. Gases can be compressed much. Gases can be compressed much. Now students, the second part is, the example of solid. Example: wood, stone. Example of liquid is water, oil, milk. The example of gas is oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen. Oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen. subtraction. Now students, these three states can be interchanging each other. When we heat solid, it changes in liquid. On heating, solid change in liquid. When we heat liquid, it change in gas. Or when we cool gas, it change in liquid. When we cool liquid, it change in solid. On heating, solid can be changed in liquid and liquid can be changed in gas. On cooling, gas can be changed in liquid and liquid can be changed in solid. This means these three states can be changed in each other. Now students, the second part is chemical classification. Chemical classification. According to the chemical classification, matter is divided in two parts. First is in two parts. A pure substance. Pure substances, or B mixture, and B is mixture. Pure substances. Pure substances are those matter which is made only one kind of substance. Pure substances are those matter which is made only one kind of substances, which cannot be decomposed into similar compound, similar substances, which cannot be decomposed in simpler substances or built from simpler substances. And pure substances have fixed composition. substances are those substances which have fixed composition or and which is made only one type of substance, which have fixed composition and cannot be decomposed into simpler substances and built from them. Pure substances have fixed composition and cannot be decomposed into simpler substances and built from them. Now, classification of pure substance. Pure substance says is subdivided into two more categories. Element, compounds. Element are those substances which is made from only one kind of substance. Element are those substances which is made only one kind of substances. Element are those substances which is made only one kind of substance. And which cannot be divided into different substances. Compounds, when two or more substances combine each other in a fixed ratio. To make new substances. To make a new substance, which is called compound. Element. Example is copper, silver, gold, iron, platinum, mercury, etc. Compound is example glucose, water, etc. Now element. Element is classified in three more categories. First, metal, metalloids, and non-metal. Metalloids, metal, metalloids, or non-metal. Metals are those elements which have the following property. First, which is conductor of heat and electricity. Which is conductor of heat and electricity, which is lustrous, ductile, malleable, sonorous, and hard. It's called metals. The example is silver, copper, gold, iron, platinum, etc. Non-metals. Non-metals are those elements which have the following properties. Or insulator of heat or electricity, which is brittle, soft, brittle, soft, not lustrous. The example is nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, etc. etc. Metalloids, those elements which have some property which have some properties of metals as well as non-metals is called metalloids. The example is arsenic, germanium, silicon, antimony, tin, silicon, tin, antimony, bismuth. The last definition is mixture. A mixture is defined as when two or more substances when two or more substances mixed up in any ratio, is called mixture. Mixture is classified into parts. A part, homogeneous mixture. First part, homogeneous mixture. Second part, heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture are those mixture in which we cannot see the components separately, which composition is same everywhere. Those mixture which composition is same everywhere, and the components cannot seen separately. Example is sugar and water mixture, salt and water mixture. Heterogeneous mixture are those mixture in which the constituent particles can be seen separately or which composition is changed. Those mixture in which we can see components separately. Example is mixture of sand and water. Students, यदि आपको हमारा यह वीडियो पसंद आया तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और यदि आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें तथा बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें जिससे कि आपको हमारे आने वाले वीडियो मिलते रहें और हम आपसे मोटिवेट होते हैं। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। हैव अ नाइस डे।